everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you what's inside in this bag right here. This bag right here is from Victoria's Secret, and this is like their travel case. We are going to LA guys tomorrow. I already packed my things that I need to bring. Right now guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman nito. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. First time ko to siyang ginamit kasi nabili ko to siya few months ago already when they have their annual sale sa Victoria's Secret. This is what I choose. So it's a little bit heavy guys. I don't know how many pounds is this one. It has that thick material. So as you can see, like that. There you go. Are you guys ready? So let's begin you guys. Let's open it. When you open it, this is what it looks like. So the good thing about this one is it has a hook it like that, and it's gonna be easy for you to just open the zipper over here. Just grab the things that you need. Yeah, this is really like nothing though compared to other people. I think that they're really like, so I don't know what to describe, but it's like they bring a lot of stuff. It has two compartments, has the same size. It's not like this one is bigger or this one is smaller. No, they have the same exact size. The one over here has a small pocket. Let's start with this thing. I have some hair tie. So I have here my lip tint. I have some lip gloss, and here's the lipstick, like that. Some lip gloss over here guys. Over here we have the Punky Lie for eyebrows, small brush. I have here the concealer, two types of concealer. I'll put it back to you guys. Put it back. Let's proceed over here in the bottom. This is the bottom part, and let's open it. And over here we have the Mario Badescu facial spray. I like to moisturize my face. I have a very dry skin you guys. And this one over here, this is the bottle is the Clinique bottle, but the inside you guys is a toner. So I have like a big bottle of toner, the Body Shop T3, but I don't want to bring the big bottle. So what I did is I transferred it to this empty bottle Clinique. More convenient. Mario Badescu for my facial wash, some earrings, and I have here you guys some cotton pads for the toner, and I have some Q-tips, like my extra beauty sponge, because sometimes I'm kind of like lazy to wash my beauty sponge and I don't like using a dirty beauty sponge. So over here is the bio oil for my tummy because I have stretch marks you guys. This here is for my nighttime cream. I have here the L'Oreal foundation. This is my favorite drugstore product. Here the NYX facial spray for dewy skin, moisturizer, and this one over here facial wash, but it's an exfoliator siya guys. My other foundation, Giorgio Armani luminous foundation. This is like panglakasan na foundation. Now let's proceed to the top you guys. So ito na yung itsura niya sa taas. So let's open it. This is my first time using this one guys. Check this out. This is super cute. This is my brushes over here. Meron akong like parang net dito. This is like to protect my brushes. So look at how cute it is. There you go. What's next? Okay. And this one also is a cute you guys. This is new. I ordered this one online. This is a beauty blend, not beauty blender. This is my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Then look at that. This is super cute. Meron siyang cover. So if I can just put it on the table, it's gonna be like that. So meron akong lalagyan you guys. And ganyan to cover it. Nice kasi if I just like throw this one over here, it has like a protection, you know, it's not gonna get dirty. Meron din ako ditong super cute again. I'll show you what's inside. Dito ko lang nilagay yung aking mga earrings. So in case I need some earrings, ito siya, ilalagay ko din siya dito. This one is good for your headphones para hindi siya makalat, diba? But I use this one for my earrings. Maybelline na powder. Next Control Freak eyebrow gel. This is like more of a natural shade lipstick. This is from Maybelline. I have a matte blush from Ulta. Liquid blush, the e.l.f. from Jelly Pop. Pink hand cream. I have here the e.l.f. tone adjusting face primer. I like using this one kasi this is good for like if I have some red spots, like if I have pimples like that. From Hola Benefit bronzer. Favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. The L'Oreal eye cream. Meron din ako ditong Too Faced. This is an eye primer. Hindi ako masyado gumagamit ng eye primer, but I will be bringing this in case I need it. Here, the Becca highlighter. Meron ako ditong hand sanitizer. I have here the LA Girl Brow Pomade. Meron ako ditong yung Botanix na this is my night cream. Botanix night cream. Some perfume. This is from Victoria's Secret. Actually, hindi ko pa to siya nagamit. Okay. Smells good. The Crush Victoria's Secret. Last one is Amazing Grace Philosophy. There you go, guys. I have the bigger bottle on this one. When I bought this, it comes with this little thing. This is what I'll be bringing kasi maliit lang siya. Yeah, that's it, guys. Yun lang yung laman nito, guys. Pero, hindi lahat ng kailangan ko na fit siya. Like, for example, yung deodorant ko or yung sabon ko, hindi siya kakasya na kasi dito. This thing over here, I'm debating which eyeshadow should I bring because the last time I brought is ito lang siya. I like bringing this kasi very practical, very convenient lang compared nito. So, yun lang, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video for today. Yeah, we're gonna go to LA tomorrow. We're just gonna stay for a week there. I'm just gonna be like celebrating my son's birthday because his birthday is coming up, but we're gonna be celebrating it in advance. That's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys! Jet setter. Jet setter. Jet setter. Jet setter. Jet setter travel case. I just do travel case, okay?